Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my hashtag Team Project Pin 2021 finale. I'm a few days late, but it's okay. We're here. We're doing it. I'm first going to tell you about the products that I finished since the last update. And then I will tell you about the products that I did not get to meet my goal on during this project. And then at the end, I will share with you all of the makeup products that I finished in this project in 2021. If you like project update videos, please keep on watching. If you're new here, I do hope you consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up. And just FYI, I will be doing this project again in 2022. So my intro will be coming pretty dang soon. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. The products that I finished since the last update. The first one was the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I finally finished this guy. It did take me quite some time to finish it, but I did take the stopper out. I scraped as much as I could. And yeah, this guy is completely gone. The second empty I had in this project since the last update is the Pat McGrath lip gloss, and this is in the shade Carnal Desire. I do really like these lip glosses from Pat McGrath, and this one was no difference. I loved it as well. Again, I did take out the stopper and I finished all of it. The third empty since the last update is the Dose of Colors Escape Lip Liner. This did take me a long time to finish. Just like a little tiny little bit left, but if I go to use it, it scrapes my lips and you can see like it's pretty dirty on the sides, but yay, this guy is gone. Couple more for body products. I finished up both Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast, I poked myself in the eye, the body cream and the shower gel. Both of them are gone. And then the last empty since last update is the Soap and Glory, the award-winning Smoothie Star like breakfast scrub body scrub thing. This smells really nice. I did really enjoy it. Yuck. And there's like a little bit of moisture in there and kind of got on my clothes. Anyway, this guy is gone. Now I'll go ahead and share with you the products that I did not meet my goal on. I'll tell you if I made progress on them, if I've used them or what, and then I'll show you everything I finished in 2021. Except like the body products. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the products that I did not meet my goal on. I did not finish, or whatever my goal was, they're still here. They're no longer in the project. I'm not gonna work on some of them. I don't think I'm gonna work on them in 2022, but I was happy to make some progress on them. The first one is the Becca backlight priming filter. First Light priming filter. When I introduced it into the project, it was 20.44 grams. Today it's 19.55. I used some of it. I could technically mark it, but it's okay. I knew that I was not going to be able to finish this one, but I wanted to use it. I wanted to get some use out of it. The second product is the foundation, and I had the Bite Changemaker Supercharged Foundation. I did make some good progress. Last update, this was 35.58 grams, and today is 32.77 grams. So I definitely used it. I do really like it. It's a really nice foundation, so definitely keeping it in my collection, but I don't think I'm going to work on it in 2022. Not yet anyways. The only powder that I did not meet my goal on is the Hourglass Luminous Light Powder. Yeah, I had wanted to finish this guy in 2021. I did not. There's a lot of product in here. You don't need a lot of it, or I don't need a lot of it, because I do use it as a finishing powder. Overall in the project, like this was on from day one, I did use 2.5 grams of it. It doesn't seem like a lot because technically there is 10 grams in here, but I tried my best. I do like this product. I definitely smoothed it out. I can see the side pan on it. So I'm happy with the progress I made on it. I just did not finish it. I did not meet my goal, but it's okay. I'm not mad about having it remaining in my collection. For setting sprays and like primer mist and all that, I recently rolled in the CoverGirl Look Lockup. I did make some progress. I didn't mark it, but I'm about down here. Again, this was a product that I knew I was not going to be able to finish, but I did want to use it and use a little bit more out of it. The same with this MAC Prep and Prime. This was pretty close to the top, so I did use a little bit of it. I did make some use on it, but again, I did not finish it. And again, this was a product, I'm gonna keep saying this. I rolled in these products knowing that I'm not gonna be able to finish them, but I wanted to get some more use out of them. Let's go ahead and move right along to bronzers. For bronzer, I have the NARS Laguna. This is a really tiny mini. I'm actually really surprised with how much I used of it, considering that I rolled it in pretty late on the project and I just wanted to use it. I can definitely see the sides here and here. I don't know if it's evident on camera. It's a really big dip in the middle, so I'm really happy with how much I've used of this guy. But there's that one. For blush, I had the Too Faced Love Flush. This is in the shade I Will Always Love You. When I rolled it into the project, this was 41.85 grams. Today is 40.33. I definitely expanded the pan. I hit side pan. I've smoothed out a big part of it here in the center. So I am happy with the progress. Would I've liked to finish it in 2021? Absolutely, but it just did not happen. And it's all right. I did finish a lot of other products. For highlighter, I was working on this middle shade in the Smashbox palette. I expanded my pan. There's not a whole lot left in that one shade that I wanted to use up. I just did not get to use it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and possibly declutter this one. I think my friend had asked if she can have it once I like meet my goal or at the end of the year. So I probably will go ahead and send it to my friend if she's still interested. If not, I don't know if I'm gonna declutter it or keep it in my collection. But most likely I'm gonna go ahead and pass it on. For an eye pencil, I was super close, you guys. I was working on the Urban Decay all-nighter. Is it all-nighter? What is it called? 24-hour glide on eye pencil thing. This is all I have left. So I was really close, but I just did not do it. It did not happen. Next up, a product that I'm super close on is the brow product. I have the Kosas brow pencil. This is all I have left. The last 2 weeks in December, I honestly barely wore any makeup, maybe twice. I did get sick and, you know, whatever happened, life happened. If I had, you know, the chance to wear more makeup, or if I did do it, I most likely would have finished this one. It's super close. So I am going to finish it, you know, this week or next week. And yeah, it's going to get out of my collection. The same with this lip product. This is the NARS lipstick in the shade is Tolade. So close, like incredibly close, but it just didn't happen. Again, I did not wear any makeup and I do want to finish it. I'm going to concentrate on finishing this guy as soon as possible in 2021. And then 2 more products remaining. One of them is the Fresh Sugar Passionate Hydrating Lip Balm. I really expanded my pan, I guess. I did make good progress on it. So I'm happy with that one. And this was one that I'm like, can I finish it? Probably not, but there it is. And then the last product, I made some progress on it, but not as much as I wanted to, is by e.l.f. And this is the Holy Hydration Hydrogel Moisturizer. I definitely made progress. I'm all the way to like here, it goes up. So I'm to here, and I think I started somewhere here. This is remaining, remaining in my collection. I don't know if I'm gonna work on it anytime soon. Now that we got all of that out of the way, comes the fun part. I will share with you all of the products that I used up in 2021 in this project. The only ones that I decluttered were like the body product, but I kept all of my makeup. So let's go through them. Let's go ahead and talk about all of the makeup empties. I'm gonna go ahead and start with primers. For primers, I finished 6 primers in this project, you guys. The first one is by Guerlain Loire. I finished this guy. It's a mini. I think all of them were a mini. Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. And then the last two, one is by Tarte. This is the Quench Hydrating Primer. And then the last one is by Too Faced. This is the Primed and Peachy. I'm so happy. 6 mini primers. Like, I know they're just minis. These two were like half size of the full ones. So I'm really happy that I was able to get through these ones. For foundations, I was only able to finish this one foundation. This is the Nudestix Tinted Cover Foundation, but hey, better than none. I'm really happy to have got one out. For concealers, I finished 2. The first one is the Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and then the second one is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Again, really happy with all of my progress. That's what so far, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 products so far. For powder, I finished up 3 powders. The first one is by Besame, and this is the Brightening Vanilla Powder, and the shade is Translucent. Really enjoyed this one. The second powder I finished up is the Pat McGrath Labs, like the Under Eye, what is it called? Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Under Eye Blurring Powder. So happy with this one. And then the last one is the e.l.f. Under Eye Powder. This was in the shade Banana, which is technically for deep undertone or skin tone, but I did use it under my eye to brighten up my under eye area. Again, really happy to have finished that one. For setting sprays, I finished up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know. The first one is by Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Primer Water, a small one of these. The second one is a big one of the Smashbox Photo Finish, and this was the Clary Sage and Tea scent. Really enjoyed that one. I finished up the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last, and this was the Dragon Fruit Peach scent. Really like this one. MAC Prep and Prime, the original. A Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and then the last one is by Jane Ardell. This is the Palm Mist Hydration Spray. I think my biggest accomplishment of the year was my bronzers. I finished 2 in this project. The first one is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Capri Coast. I was so happy when I finished this guy, like really impressed. And then I finished up the Bondi Bay by Nudestix. Completely scraped everything out of this baby, like everything out of this guy. Really happy that I was able to finish it. I do have a backup. You know, call me crazy, but I do love that bronzing stick cream thing. I did not finish any blushes or any highlighters. I did, one of my goals was to hit pan in my pure highlighter, like a little repress guy. I did hit my my goal on that. I did hit pan, but I did not finish it. For eye, like cream products for the eyes, I did have 2. I mean, like those were my eye primers. One is by Urban Decay. This is the eyeshadow primer potion, the original. And then the other one is by Too Faced. This is the Shadow Insurance. So I used up these 2. I had 4 mascaras in this project, and then I really wanted to concentrate on minis in this project, so I finished up 4 minis. One is by ABH, and this is the Lash Brag Mascara. Next one is by Idole. This is, or Lancome, and this is the Idole, Lash Idole Mascara. By Kat Von D, Go Big or Go Home. I did not like this one. And then the last one is by Benefit, and this is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. It was okay. It wasn't my favorite. I think out of all of them, I really liked the Lancome, and the ABH one, the Lash Brag, I did enjoy that one as well. For brow pencils, I finished up 3. I was so close on my number 4, but it just did not happen. By Real Her, this is the Definer Brow Pencil, and this is I Am Strong. I finished the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I finished up the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. For brow setting, I finished up 2. One is by Glossier, and this is the Boy Brow, and then the other one is by Kosas, and this is the Air Brow. This was clear. No longer clear towards the end. Okay, this one I'm super proud of, and this is the lip liner collection or lip liner category. I finished 3 lip liners. I finished up the Dose of Colors Escape Lip Liner. I finished up the NYX retractable lip liner. This is in the shade Nude Pink. And I finished up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. There's just, this is it. This is gone. 3 lip liners. I can't believe that. We're getting to the good part, you guys. For the lip gloss category, I finished 5. Grande lips. This is the hydrating lip plumper. This was just a clear one. Tower 28. Again, this was a clear and this was in the shade Chill. It was a clear lip gloss. I finished 2 by Pat McGrath. These are just like the luster lip glosses, I believe, both of them. And one is in the shade Carnal Desire. The other is Pale Fire Nectar. And then the last lip gloss is by Charlotte Tilbury, and this was in the shade Candy Darling. Next up for lip glosses, I finished 4. I finished Primera lip mask. This is the Clean Berry lip mask. I finished up Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. I finished up by Ilia the Balmy Gloss, and this was in the shade Tahiti. And then the last one is by Sugar, the Advanced Therapy, and this was in the scent Dream or the shade Dream. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of these. So 4 lip glosses or lip balms. Oh wait, there should be one more. Sorry, there's 5 lip glosses. The last one is by Rare Beauty, and this is the Thankful Dewy Lip Balm. I finished up this guy as well. For fragrance, I finished 3, 2 full sizes, and both are by Victoria's Secret. This is the Bombshell Summer, and this was in the scent Intense. And then 1 roller, also by Victoria's Secret, and this is in the Bombshell Wildflower. Really enjoyed all of them, and they were kind of easy to go through because you can put a bunch, like you could spray a lot of it. The scent does not last too long, so I could use a bunch of it. One category that I just did not keep my empties of are like the body products, so shower gels, body scrubs, and all that. I finished 11 body products. I only have 3 of them here, which because I finished them since the last update. But I'll go ahead and tell you what they are. The first one is the first 3 are Bath and Body Works, the Winter Candy Apple. I had the gel, I had the lotion, and I had the scrub. Also by Bath & Body Works, I had the Warm Vanilla Lotion, the Warm Vanilla Shower Gel, and a Sea Mineral Body Polish. That was also by Bath & Body Works. I also finished up the Snowflake and Cashmere Body Wash, Snowflake and Cashmere Body Cream, the Champagne Toast Body Wash and Body Cream, and the Soap & Glory Body Scrub. And then the last product I finished up in the project, which also I got rid of, is by Kiehl's, and that was the moisturizer. I did enjoy that one a lot. I'm going to go ahead and count how many empties I had in this project in 2021. My goal was 21 empties, way surpassed that, and I'm so happy with that. And then I'll let you know what they are, how many they are. 1, 2, 3. I had 59 empties in this project. I am so happy with how it went. Really, really happy with how it went. I'm so excited to be doing this project again in 2022. Stay tuned. I will be filming my intro pretty soon, maybe today, but the intro will be up very, very soon. If you guys enjoyed this update or this finale, please make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.